Dear students, now I am going to explain reflection. The phenomenon of return of light into the same medium is called reflection. Reflection takes place in mirrors. Mirrors are of two types: plane mirror and curved mirror. First, plane mirror. This is a plane mirror, and this is a normal. This is the incident ray, and this is a reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. Angle between incident ray and normal, angle of incidence. Angle between reflected ray and normal is called angle of reflection. Laws of reflection. Incident ray, reflected ray, and normal lie in the same plane. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence I equal to angle of reflection R. Properties of image formed by a plane mirror. If the reflecting surface is plane, is called plane mirror. Reflecting surface is plane, is called plane mirror. Common name is looking glass. Looking glass is the common name of plane mirror. The image which can be caught on a screen is called real image. Which can be caught on a screen. మనము సినిమా హాల్లో స్క్రీన్ పైన వచ్చేటువంటిది రియల్ ఇమేజ్. అంటే ఇమేజ్ అపియర్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ ఆఫ్ సినిమా థియేటర్, సినిమా హాల్. virtual image which cannot be caught on a screen. The virtual image. Properties. Image formed by a plane mirror is one virtual, two erect, three same-sized and formed at same distance behind the mirror when object is placed in front of the mirror. Image is laterally inverted, means right side of object appears as left and left side of object appears as right in image. Now this is the plane mirror. Object O. Image is formed behind the mirror at same distance. Deviation in reflection D equal to 180 minus 2i. Deviation ante this is the incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is I, this is also equal to I. Deviation means angle between incident ray and reflected ray equal to 180 minus 2i. Correct time equal to 12:00 minus time in mirror. If time in mirror is 8:30 minutes, correct time equal to minus equal to 3:30 minutes. Number of images formed by two plane mirrors inclined at an angle theta is. N equal to 360 by theta. N is odd when object is placed other than bisector. If theta equal to 60 degrees, n equal to 360 by 60 equal to 6 and m equal to 6 minus 1, 5. If theta equal to 72 degrees, n equal to 360 by 72 equal to 5, n equal to m equal to 5. Number of images formed is always an odd number. If object lies on bisector, number of images formed is always even. If number of images n equal to fraction equal to 7.2, images is taken as 8. రౌండ్ ఫిగర్గా తీసుకోవాలి. If an object moves a distance x towards the mirror, distance moved by image equal to x. If mirror moves a distance x towards the object, distance moved by image equal to 2x. If both object and mirror moves a distance x, distance moved by image is 3x. Similarly, velocities also. If an object moves towards a mirror with velocity v, velocity of image with respect to mirror equal to v, velocity of image with respect to object is 2v. In vector form, position of image equal to minus position of object. X position of image with respect to mirror equal to position of object with respect to mirror. Velocity of image equal to minus velocity of object. D by dt of xim equal to d by dt of xom. So velocity of image with respect to mirror equal to velocity of object with respect to mirror. Velocity of image with respect to mirror equal to minus velocity of object with respect to mirror. Velocity of image minus velocity of mirror equal to minus velocity of object minus velocity of mirror. Therefore, velocity of image equal to 2 velocity of mirror minus velocity of object. If an object moves towards the mirror with velocity 5 meters per second towards right and mirror moves with velocity 2 meters per second towards left, then velocity of image is velocity of image equal to This is VO, velocity of object. This is velocity of mirror. Velocity of mirror 2 into -2 -5 equal to -4 -5 -9 meter per second, or 9 meter per second towards left, Another example, an object located at 2, 0, 0 in x, y, z plane located at YZ plane moves with velocity two I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap meter per second. Velocity of its image is YZ plane కాబట్టి x కాంపోనెంట్ ఒకటే మారుతుంది. వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ ఇమేజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు -2y plus 2j plus 3k meter per second. Velocity parallel to plane mirror remains same and perpendicular to mirror only reverses. Velocity of image equal to, now velocity of image with respect to object equal to -4I cap meter per second. Deviation in case of two plane mirrors. Two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle theta. Deviation D equal to 360 minus 2 theta. Here a light ray incident on one of the mirror at an angle of incidence alpha, and reflected ray again incident on second mirror at an angle of incidence beta. This is reflected ray. Deviation in first mirror D1 equal to 180 minus 2 alpha plus alpha ante 2 alpha. Deviation in second mirror equal to 180 minus 2 beta. Total deviation d equal to d1 plus d2 equal to 360 minus of 2 into alpha plus beta. From diagram, this is theta 1 and this is theta and this angle is theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta equal to 180 degrees. Theta 1 equal to 90 minus alpha plus 90 minus beta plus theta equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, theta minus alpha minus beta equal to 0. Theta equal to alpha minus beta. Therefore, deviation d equal to 360 minus 2 of alpha plus beta equal to 360 minus 2 theta. Therefore, deviation in case of two plane mirrors is d equal to 360 minus 2 theta. Minimum size of mirror required to see the full image of person is half his height. In a room, this is a plane mirror, this is a person. Plane mirror is at a height of the person equal to h. This is also equal to h. Height of mirror h dash. H dash by x equal to h by 2x. Therefore, h dash equal to h by 2. Height of mirror required equal to half his height. Minimum size of mirror required to see the full image of person when person is at the middle of room is. This is a mirror, this is a person. This distance is x and this distance is 2x. H dash by x equal to h by 3x. Therefore, height of mirror required equal to h by 3. If mirror turns an angle theta, reflected rays turns through an angle 2 theta. Find the distances of first two images formed by two plane mirrors from observer. In given problem, this is one plane mirror and this is another plane mirror. Distance between the two plane mirrors is 8 meter. This is object. This is observer. This is object. Object placed at 2 meter from first mirror and 6 meter from second mirror. So this is the first image formed by first mirror and this is the first image formed by second mirror. This is 2 meter. 2 meter plus 4 meter equal to 6 meter. This is 6 meter. 6 meter plus 4 meter equal to 10 meter. So this is the second image. This is from this mirror. This is 8 plus 2, 10 meter. 10 meter plus 4 meter equal to 14 meter. This is second image. For this second image is 6 meter. This 14 meter. Second at 14 meter. 14 plus 4 equal to 18 meter. ఇది 10 మీటరు 14 మీటర్, ఇక్కడ 6 మీటరు 18 మీటర్. These are the positions of images formed by two mirrors in two cases. This is first image and this is second image. This is first image and this is second image. If two plane mirrors placed parallel number of images formed is infinity. N equal to 360 by 0 equal to infinity. This is about plane mirrors. ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకుంటే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఏమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్స్లో పెట్టండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.